Dik li suppost kellha tkun dimostrazzjoni mdaqqsa fil-konfront ta' Identity Malta rigward dewmien qawwi ta' permessi tax-xogħol u residenza ta' persuni barranin spiċċat fi protesta ta' vuċi waħda mara Brittanika għaliex fi kliemha stess ħafna beżgħu milli jidhru.
All of a sudden people started thinking what happens if we get spotted here, which is why I said when we called the newsrooms yesterday, take backs of heads, don't take front pictures. Why are they scared?
Il-ġimgħa filgħodu Patricia Graham, fundatriċi tal-għaqda volontarja EU Nationals Advisory, saħqet ma' Net News illi persuni li jitqisu bħala third country nationals qed jibżgħu juru wiċċhom sansitra quddiem il-kameras minħabba biża' illi ssirilhom vendikazzjoni. Hija saħqet illi dan kollu qed iġiel lil dawn il-persuni jfittxu toroq alternattivi.
They are afraid that if they are seen protesting, that their application will go even further down to the bottom of the line. And then, of course, there are a lot of people who will be forced, through complete poverty, to go another avenue to get their paperwork.
Patricia insistiet li d-dewmien qed ilaħħaq ix-xhur twal bil-konsegwenza li diversi ħaddiema li jaħdmu f'diversi setturi fosthom tas-saħħa jispiċċaw jitkarbu biex jinqdew wara numru ta' snin jaħdmu Malta.
We have carers, we have nurses, we have the people that flip your burgers, we have people, doing all the menial tasks that we know Maltese do not want to do. And if they get caught working without their papers, it's the fastest ticket out of Malta.
Graham spjegat li dan id-dewmien kollu ma jagħmel l-ebda sens jekk il-persuna tkun ilha taħdem f'pajjiżna filwaqt li fakret li t-tiġdid tal-permess jiswa aktar minn 280 euro. Hija saħqet ukoll li l-maġġoranza ta' dawn il-persuni spiċċaw iddejnu jew biegħu ħwejjieġhom biex ġew importati jaħdmu f'pajjiżna. U issa qed jidwadbu l-barra.
They are in debt in their own countries. They have families who have gathered that money together, sold property to get them here. And now, after 6 months, they've no way of paying the rent. They come with enough money for a couple of months, but nobody expects to wait 6 months, 9 months, whatever it is, for a stamp to say.
Hija saħqet li sitwazzjoni hija waħda desperata fejn insistiet li hija stess tħeġġeġ lil persuni barranin sabiex ma jiġux jaħdmu f'pajjiżna filwaqt li kritikat bl-aħrax lil Identity Malta.
We warn people off coming to Malta every single day. Don't do it. Do your homework. Don't do it. Identity Malta, first of all, they have no customer service whatsoever. You can't call them, the phones are never answered. You can't email them, they never answer emails. We have people out of work now who cannot work because if they did, it would be illegal for them to work without their work permits.
Patricia Graham temmet tajt illi persuna illi jkun tfadlilha l-aħħar ftit flus biex tinqeda lesta tikkunsidra kollox.
People will find a back door for anything. And if they've just got their last bit of savings left, they will take that option.
Francesco Catania, għal Net News.